Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. I have absolutely no idea what is in this package. I think I have an idea of who sent it, but we're going to find out together. As per usual, if it's something you can buy, I will link it right down in the description of this video. It does help my channel when you use those links, but that's entirely up to you. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay. What do we got? What do we got? Find out what the heck is going on in this package. We do have a new Sencut. I thought I recognized the name, but it's hard to remember, everybody. Okay. New Sencut. Sencut has been hit or miss. When they hit, it's obviously amazing because their prices are very low, which is good. We need good budget knives. What's the steal? I'm trying not to look at the picture they sent. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's open it up. What do we got? I feel like they sent me pictures of something pretty cool here recently, but it's, you know, I mean, if you think about how, uploading twice a day, think about how much stuff comes in, right? It's hard. It's hard to remember it all. Oh, we have a button lock. Ooh, is it, what's the material here? What? Oh, hold on. Where's my magnet? That cannot, it's not, there's no way it's steel. No, it's not steel. Wait a second. Let me read here. Yeah, the handle material is aluminum. Wow, they really have this finished like titanium. This, I was like, what is this? Is this freaking titanium? This really looks and feels like titanium. Man, that really threw me. Usually I can tell it's aluminum right away, but the way that this is finished and the way that it looks, it really looks like titanium. Wow. Ooh, boy, that sounded good. Oh, man. Okay, hold on here. Oh. Yeah, Sencut, we got something good here. We got something real nice. Look at that full, flat grind. Ooh. Ooh. We and Sencut and Civivi have gotten very, very good at nailing down that button lock action. They have their button locks are different. Whatever it is you guys are doing, keep doing it, please. Hold on a sec. Oh, thank goodness. No, it is still doing it. Dang it. Dang it. I really wanted to just like overly celebrate. So here's something that drives me nuts. This is really cool. I like this a lot, and obviously I can get it to drop shut, right? I want to, this is something I want them to correct, but you guys got to understand, in no way am I saying it is a deal breaker. That's not the case. It's just annoying, and I'm a super nitpicky knife reviewer who has handled thousands of knives and just has, you know, little things like that. The action is very good. Very, very good. Now, on their more expensive stuff, and this is yet again, it's another one with aluminum. Sorry, my nose is stuffed up. I don't know if it's the aluminum that's causing the problem or if that's just coincidence. But, so the plunge lock is acting as the D10, or it's creating the D10 here, right? So the flipping action is phenomenal. And same thing with the thumb stud action. Very, very good, right? You can push the button slightly in and it'll drop, right? But if you push it all the way down and hold it, like if you push hard, it's almost like the other head of that cylinder comes back around and creates friction on the face of the blade. And this is something I hit it was either a Concept or a Kaiser. Can't remember, but I hit on him for that. I said, this is a problem. I don't like that, because you have to make an extra conscious effort to think about exactly how much pressure you're applying to that button. I have lots of button locks, many of them from Civivi, Sencut, right? The new Ziphius and the other one that's really, really good, they don't do that. So I don't know if this is flex from the aluminum that's causing it. I don't understand. But when I push this button in, even if I choose to push it as hard as I possibly can, it shouldn't stop the blade like this, right? I'm holding it straight up and down. It's stopping the blade, right? There's a space in between not pushing it at all and pushing it too hard where it'll just drop, right? But you have to, every time you have to get it exactly right. And truthfully, you'll adapt to it in less than 24 hours. And if this is like the only knife you ever carry, you'll adapt to it and you'll never even think about it again. But I don't want that to be there. I don't know why that's happening, right? Left-handed, it's a lot harder for me. I think lefties might actually, can you mount this yet? Lefties, you might enjoy this a lot more unless your index finger is super duper strong, but I'm really not even strong enough to pin. I think because I'm bracing lower with my thumb than where my index finger is, I think it's much, I don't even think you even notice it as a lefty. Lefty, this one might be for you guys. My thumb naturally wants to push a little bit harder, so in some cases I actually do slow that blade down. This one is not as bad though. I'll admit, this is not as bad. The amount of, and you know what? Maybe doing it multiple times, I'm already getting used to this. It might wear down enough to where you don't see it anymore, right? You could also, put a little drop of 10 weight in there. It's pretty light. In this case, the issue, this sort of plunge drag, I guess, we have to invent a new term for it. There you go. If you're like, what do we call this? I got to go complain about this on Reddit. What do I call it? Plunge drag. Metal Complex said it was called plunge drag, right? What the heck is double clutch? Oh, it's this term MC and a bunch of other guys invented so they could complain about stuff. Their newest one is plunge drag, right? Okay. I don't like to see it on these knives, and a bunch of the newest Civivis and Sencuts, and all of them have been in aluminum. Again, I don't know if aluminum's the problem, and if it is the problem, I would venture to guess that it's because aluminum flexes a little bit versus titanium or steel. The titanium, button locks are not having this issue. But ProTech has been making the Malibu in aluminum since the dinosaurs roamed the earth, and this does not happen, right? I think you can see that cylinder head that's responsible for locking it out. There's another cylinder head on the other side, and I think what's happening is it's peeking up through a little bit too much, and it's actually dragging on the face of the blade when you're pushing it all the way down. So, not sure what's going on there. This is really nice though. What's the blade steel? Honestly, I don't think that's enough to stop anybody, because listen, if this is aluminum and we're looking at D2, which is what this is here, and I know some people, but look, the reason they did that is so they can keep the price down. This is very, very nice. Arguably their nicest button lock. Really, really nice stuff. Great ergos too. I know the slicing performance on the thing is just going to be off the charts. I'm guessing the price on this is just wicked good. The only thing I can complain about is slight plunge drag. Slight. So slight that you probably won't notice it, especially if you're lefty, right? And even if you do notice it, my guess is it'll go away over time. But I'm just saying, we should, if Civivi Sencut, if you guys watch these videos, you guys should look into that. Pushing it down too hard causes it to stop. I'm putting way more force on that button than I normally do, right? This is nice. I like this though. What's it called? The Serene. The Serene. Okay. You can get it in gray. Here's a bunch of colors. Black, red, gray, and blue. Fantastic. Should have known that it wasn't titanium. Just looking at this, I can't get it. Can't get red for titanium, obviously. Alrighty, this is pretty nice. I like this. This is not a review. This is just an unboxing and first impressions. You'll get a full comprehensive review of this knife a few weeks down the road. I will link this down below, along with Sencut knives in general. If you're new and you're like, I don't know about all these expensive knives. This Metal Complex guy is showing off like $3,000 pocket knives. I show budget knives. They're really great. And I try to highlight the ones that are the best. Sencut is absolutely one of the best budget knife companies out there, and you should explore their lineup for sure. That's going to be it today. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.